Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the nursery class in California Public School, Khukrana, Moga. And I am your teacher, Mrs. Kirandeep Kaur. So, students, today we will learn the beginning sound. Today we will learn beginning sound. So, students, today we will learn the H sound of beginning sound. Speak after me. H. This is H. Today we will learn H sound of beginning sound. Look at the picture, students. Which picture is this? Speak up. This is hen. Speak up. Hen. What is the beginning sound of hen? H. H is the beginning sound of hen. Now see the next picture. What is this, students? This is helicopter. Speak up. Helicopter. What is the beginning sound of helicopter? H. H is the beginning sound of helicopter. So our next picture, see, students. Did you know this picture? Anybody knows? Okay, I will tell you. This is hut. Speak up. Hut. What is the beginning sound of hut? H. H is the beginning sound of hut. See, students, our last picture. This is horse. Speak loudly. Horse. What is the beginning sound of horse? H. H is the beginning sound of horse. H is the beginning sound of horse. Okay, let's see all the pictures, students, once again. Speak up. Helicopter. Hut. Hen. Horse. What is the beginning sound of all these pictures? H. H is the beginning sound of all these pictures. Okay, students. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.